Relation of tube wall thickness and diameter to HF welding. The relationship between tube wall thickness, diameter, and high-frequency welding is a critical factor in pipe and tube production. In HF welding, electric current is used to heat the edges of a steel strip to the point where they can be fused together without the use of filler material. However, the power requirements and weld quality are heavily influenced by the dimensions of the tube. Wall thickness. Thicker tube walls require more energy to achieve proper heating at the weld interface. As the volume of metal increases, the HF current must penetrate deeper and sustain heat longer, necessitating higher power input and precise control. Tube diameter. Larger tube diameters increase the surface area of the weld zone and affect coil positioning and the distribution of electromagnetic field. Maintaining uniform heating and a stable welding arc becomes more challenging with increasing diameter. Allows manufacturers to optimize welding parameters, minimize defects, and maintain structural integrity. Companies like LOTOSFORMING design tube mill systems that automatically adjust HF welding settings based on tube geometry, ensuring efficiency and consistent weld quality across a range of sizes.